Hello investors, it's Zil from Equitymaster bringing you investing insights to make investing simple and easy to learn. To stay updated on investing trends and the latest developments on Indian markets, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. With the world racing towards cleaner energy solutions, green hydrogen is quickly emerging as one of the most exciting prospects. Hydrogen is an energy source that results in no greenhouse gases when burnt. The only waste product is water vapor, making it a cleaner energy source than fossil fuels. However, hydrogen is rarely available in a readily usable form, and most current production methods still emit greenhouse gases. Green hydrogen, produced using renewable energy, offers a promising solution. Its ability to decarbonize hard-to-abate sectors such as transportation, shipping, and steel production is driving rising global demand. It can also serve as a clean alternative to traditional fuels and act as a storage medium for renewable energy. You see, while it's still early days and green hydrogen isn't yet being produced at the scale or cost needed to compete with fossil fuels, the momentum is building fast. Several companies are investing heavily to tap into its massive potential. With that in mind, here are 5 green hydrogen stocks worth keeping an eye on. Before we move on, please note that this video is for information purposes only. It is not a stock recommendation and should not be treated as such. There is no opinion or view on any stock covered herein. With that disclaimer out of our way, let's get started. First on our list is Indian Oil Corporation. Indian Oil Corporation is India's largest public sector oil and gas company. IOC operates across the entire hydrocarbon value chain, including refining, pipeline transportation, petroleum product marketing, exploration, production, and petrochemicals. Now, the country's largest public sector oil and gas company is turning a new leaf with a strong push into green hydrogen. IOC is setting up a massive 10,000 tons per year green hydrogen plant at its Panipat refinery in Haryana, marking its official entry into the clean hydrogen space. Slated to be commissioned by December 2027, this project will replace the fossil fuel-based hydrogen currently used in its operations, leading to a major cut in carbon emissions. The Panipat plant is fully aligned with the government's National Green Hydrogen Mission and forms a key pillar in IOC's larger goal of becoming a net zero company by 2046. Next on the list is BPCL. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited is one of India's largest state-owned oil and gas companies involved in refining, marketing, and distribution of petroleum products. Established in 1952, BPCL operates a wide network of refineries, marketing outlets, and pipelines across India. BPCL has commissioned its first and one of India's largest green hydrogen plant at the Bina refinery. With a production capacity of more than 780 tons per annum, the plant is poised to achieve an annual carbon emissions reduction of 9,000 tons. Equipped with 2 advanced electrolyzers, each with a capacity of 500 normal cubic meters per hour, the facility has been designed for maximum energy efficiency. The commissioning marks a significant step in BPCL's mission to achieve net zero in Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 2040. Apart from this, Sembcorp Green Hydrogen India Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Sembcorp Industries, and BPCL entered into a joint venture agreement to explore renewable energy and green hydrogen projects across India. Further, the joint venture will also consider projects in green ammonia. Next on the list is GAIL. GAIL is India's leading natural gas processing and distribution company. It primarily transports, transmits, and markets natural gas and petrochemicals. It commands a 66% market share in gas transmission and over 54% in gas trading market share in India. In May 2024, GAIL took a major step forward by launching its first green hydrogen plant at its Vijaypur facility in Madhya Pradesh. This isn't just a pilot. It's the beginning of GAIL's journey into clean energy in line with the government's National Green Hydrogen Mission. The plant uses renewable power and advanced PEM technology to produce about 4.3 tons of green hydrogen per day. What's impressive is the purity and efficiency. This hydrogen is 99.999% pure and generated at a high pressure, ready for industrial use. Initially, GAIL will use this green hydrogen alongside natural gas in its own processes at Vijaypur. While GAIL is blending hydrogen with natural gas on experimental basis in Indore in its city gas distribution network to test its success, it aims to escalate blending ratios after necessary approvals based on the test results. GAIL is conducting joint studies with Engineers India Limited and IIT Kanpur to further blend hydrogen with natural gas. This hydrogen is planned to be dispensed to retail customers in the nearby areas, transported through high-pressure cascades. Next on the list is NTPC. NTPC is a key player in the power sector, producing and distributing large quantities of electricity to various utility providers. It's a leading Indian central public sector undertaking in the power generation sector. The company has a diversified portfolio including coal, gas, hydro, solar and wind. NTPC Green Energy Limited, also called as NGEL, a subsidiary of NTPC Limited, is heavily invested in green hydrogen projects. NGEL's $21 billion investment will include the establishment of 20 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity. This will enable the production of 1,500 tons of green hydrogen daily, along with 7,500 tons of derivatives such as green methanol, green urea, and sustainable aviation fuel. These products are primarily intended for export markets, especially Europe and Asia. Additionally, NGEL has signed a similar agreement with the government of Rajasthan to develop 25 gigawatt of renewable energy projects with plans to explore further collaborations with other states. The company has also entered into a memorandum of understanding to explore the offtake of green hydrogen and its derivatives by third parties. Through these efforts, NTPC is positioning itself as a key player in India's transition to a low-carbon economy. Last on the list is Adani Enterprises. Adani Enterprises Limited is the flagship company of the Adani Group led by Gautam Adani. It acts as an incubator for new businesses across sectors like natural resources, airports, energy, infrastructure, agri-business and green technologies. The company is making serious moves in the clean energy space through its subsidiary Adani New Industries Limited. In October 2024, Adani took a major step by merging two of its subsidiaries, Adani Infrastructure Private Limited and Mudra Solar Technologies Limited, into Adani New Industries Limited. The goal is to create a focused and powerful arm dedicated to green hydrogen and wind turbine manufacturing. The company also unveiled the country's first hydrogen-powered truck for commercial mining operations. This heavy-duty hydrogen fuel cell truck, featuring 3 hydrogen tanks, can carry up to 40 tons of cargo over 200 kilometers. Looking ahead, the company has allocated 55 billion capex in FY26 for its green hydrogen ecosystem. To conclude, India's green hydrogen industry will play a pivotal role in the country's journey towards energy independence by 2047 and net zero emissions by 2070. As part of this mission, the nation is rapidly adopting green hydrogen as a cleaner and more sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. In 2022, India launched the National Green Hydrogen Mission with an ambitious goal of producing 5 million metric tons of green hydrogen annually, supported by an additional 125 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity. This large-scale push not only signals a major shift in India's energy strategy, but also opens up significant growth opportunities for companies operating in the green hydrogen space. However, it's important to conduct thorough research on financials and corporate governance before making investment decisions, ensuring they align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family and make them as smart as you are. This is Zil from Equitymaster. Thanks for tuning in.